Does a microwave actually use radiation? Stick around, because the shocking truth is about to be revealed. Microwave ovens have become an indispensable part of our modern kitchens, making meal prep a breeze. But amidst their convenience, there's a lingering question about radiation. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery and uncover the science behind microwave technology. Let's address the elephant in the room, the fear surrounding microwaves and radiation. Many people believe that microwaves emit harmful radiation, but it's crucial to understand the distinction between ionizing and non-ionizing radiation. This distinction holds the key to demystifying the safety of microwave use. Microwaves operate by using non-ionizing radiation to heat food. This type of radiation works by exciting water molecules in the food, generating heat that cooks your meals quickly and efficiently. It's a safe and effective process that has revolutionized the way we prepare food. Here's the jaw-dropping revelation. The radiation used in microwaves is non-ionizing, which means it's not harmful to human health. By debunking the misconception that microwaves emit dangerous radiation, we gain a deeper insight into the innovative technology that powers these kitchen essentials. So rest assured, your microwave is a safe kitchen companion. To wrap things up, let's recap what we've learned today. Microwaves are indeed safe to use thanks to the utilization of non-ionizing radiation. Understanding the difference between ionizing and non-ionizing radiation is key to appreciating the safety and efficiency of microwave technology. So, next time you heat up a meal, remember that your microwave is working its magic harmlessly. I hope you enjoyed this enlightening journey into the world of microwaves and radiation. Now it's your turn to join the discussion. Share your thoughts on microwaves and radiation in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more captivating science-related content. Until next time, stay curious.